What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to try and make a to-do list that's a priority to-do list. So like tasks have a priority magnitude attached to each one. So let's make the class header public class to-do list, and do some curly braces, public to-do list. Okay, so what kind of collection should we use? I guess we want each task to have a matching priority, sort of a linked priority. So let's do a tree map. So import java.util.treemap. Okay, and let's declare it in the fields. So we want a tree map that maps integers, which is the priority. So yeah, let's use the integer wrapper class, and strings, because they'll be the task written down. So tasks, let's call it to-do list. To-do list. Okay, and let's initialize it in the constructor. So to-do list equals new tree map. Okay, so what kind of things do we need to do? Well, I guess we need to add tasks to it. So let's make a method called add task, and we'll make the return value void because we don't want it to return anything. We just want to add something. So string add task, and we'll need a priority as well. So actually, let's make the priorities the second value in this, because it's more sort of it just feels more natural to say the task and then say the priority for some reason. Int priority. Okay, so let's make the body. So we need to add this value to to-do list. So to-do list, it's a map, so we need to use put. Okay, so a task. So the priorities are the keys. Right, okay. A priority. And the values are the tasks, so a task. Okay. No suitable method found for put. What? In a map? Let's check. Tree map. Where's the put method? Put key value. Okay. So what the heck am I doing wrong here? Put key. Okay, let's try putting the integer first, actually. Wait, no, I already was. Oh, I see, I've put them in the wrong order. So let's leave it as we first did it and put the string as a second as the values. And let's just make everything sort of in the same order. So a priority always comes first, and then the task always comes second. Right, so that will add a task with a priority to our collection. So let's do a method now. So print all tasks, as we'll actually need to see what our tasks are. So let's do a for each loop. That seems pretty handy. So for each key, which is an integer, our number. Actually, let's be more specific. Our priority in to-do list. Okay, we need to get the key set of to-do list though. So we'll return a set of all the keys that are in to-do list, and then we'll iterate over them, store each one in a priority. So then we want to print out both the priority and the value. So dot out, and the task, I mean, not the value. Print line, okay. No, just print. So let's print our priority first. Priority, okay. Can't spell today. Our priority, and then we need to get from to-do list the value for that priority. Dot get our priority. Okay. What? System.out.print. So this returns. Well, what is going on today? Okay, so I must have done the second part wrong. So let's do it down here so it's not such a long line. So then we just want to get the value from the to-do list dot get our priority. Is that working now? Huh? Oh, I was missing the bracket. I always do that. Okay. Wait, no, that wasn't it. Wait a minute. I was thinking I was using Python, I'm using commas. There we go. Concatenation. So let's do a space between them. Okay, so that will give the priority and then give the task. Maybe let's make it a little bit clearer and put task, and then we'll also print priority. In all capitals. Let's just do another line so we can see clearly. Okay, so that will print priority, a priority, and then a few spaces, and then the task, and then that. So let's try our two methods now. So let's create a new to-do list object, and let's try and add a task. So we want the priority to be, say, 2. Let's just say, oh, I've got caps lock on, wash up. Okay, and let's add another one to call the add task method again. Priority 3 and clean car. And let's do one more add task, priority 1, post letter. Okay, so let's try printing them all out now. Oh, I haven't done a line break in there, that's annoying. A new line, I mean. Print all tasks. Well, it's printed them. So priority 1, task post letter. Priority 2, wash up. Priority 3, clean car. So it has ordered them correctly as well. But let's make this print a line, and let's do a new line character at the end as well. Oh, okay. It probably will be clearer actually, instead of using the format. I think that's how you have to do it. Just to print a new line down here. So that'll be 2 lines between each one blank line. Okay. So let's just try that one more time. Let's create a new to-do list. Add a task, priority 1, clean car. Add another task, priority 2, tidy kitchen, and add one more, priority 3, post letter. And let's try printing them all out. It's called a print all tasks method. There we go. That's worked. So that's pretty good. Probably should do a space. No, we don't need a space. We can see pretty clearly there. Actually, maybe let's do a space here and a space here. Okay, so what else? What other methods should I have in a to-do list? Well, it already orders them, and it lists the priorities and what the tasks are. Oh, we'll need to remove tasks if we complete one. So public void remove task, and we need the value of the priority. Okay, so let's say int add priority, and then we need let's just put a few blank lines down here. We need to get the to-do list up and remove the key value pair at our priority. Okay, right. Let's try that, create a new one, add a task, priority 7, clean windows, print all tasks. Yep, it's listed it, so let's try and remove it. Remove task, priority 7, list all tasks. Yep, so that's worked. What else do we need? Actually, I think that's pretty much it, guys, for a to-do list. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and take it easy, guys.